Hey guys, how's it going? How to avoid scams when using Kraken. So first of all, you need to enable the security features. Go ahead to your account at the bottom right and then scroll a little bit down to your security. Click security, make sure that you enable that two-factor authentication, whether that was passkeys or authentication app. Secondly, be aware of phishing attempts. Only log in via the official Kraken website or app. Do not go to any phishing app. Avoid clicking links from emails or messages claiming to be from Kraken. Use the Kraken wallet or Kraken Pro for security reasons. And third of all, verify the withdrawal address. Double check the wallet addresses before initiating withdrawals. If you don't know how, you could just go ahead and click the crypto that you want to withdraw. Click the three dots at the top right and then click the withdraw and make sure that you select the network and make sure that you have approved address. All right, so you can add the the right address to the external wallet so you can safely transfer your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Fourth of all, protect your account credentials. Never share your Kraken username, password, or 2FA codes or two-factor authentication codes. Kraken will never ask for these details. Next, stay updated. Regularly go to your App Store or Google Play and then make sure that your both Kraken's app is fully updated to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features, right? And next, avoid unrealistic offers. Be skeptical of schemes promising a guaranteed profits or requesting crypto deposits as part of an investment. And lastly, monitor your account activity. Regularly check your account for any unauthorized activity and enable email notifications for account actions. If you want to enable notifications, go ahead and click the account at the bottom right. Make sure that you go to your notifications bell and make sure that you receive notifications about everything, right? Your email, like all notifications including price alerts, market updates, contests, and more. All right, and I want to add something too. You need to go ahead to your browser of Kraken, right, and make sure that you log in with your account. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do, go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top right, and you're gonna find the tools at the top. Go ahead and click settings and make sure that you go to security. Most people do not focus on that, but go to scroll a little bit down to that the global settings lock or GSL and make sure that you activate it to prevent from stealing your information, your withdrawal address because cryptocurrencies transfers are not reversible. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.